Hello guys, good evening. Nagbabalik po tayo. So this time, we're going to remove the rules in the Windows Server 2008 R2. Before that, we're going to execute the DC promo to remove the rules in the Windows Server 2008 R2. Kasi hindi mo po ma-remove ang EDDS and DNS pag hindi kayo nag-DC promo. So, checking if Active Directory Domain Services binaries are installed. So, maghintay tayo guys para ma-remove natin yung rules sa Windows Server 2008 R2. So, medyo may katagalan guys ang pag-remove ng rules sa Windows Server 2008 R2. Take note pala guys, kanina sa pag-install natin ng Windows Server, ng rules ng Windows Server, so yung setup ko kanina is sample lang yung guys. So nakadepende pa rin yung kung ano talaga yung actual setup ng Windows Server 2008 R2. So this time, we're going to remove the rules in the Windows Server 2008 R2. Then we're going to delete the domain because this server is the last domain controller in the domain. So we're going to delete this one, then tap next. So maghintay tayo guys. So while loading, so we're going to delete all the application directory partition on this Active Directory domain controller. Tap next. Checking if the DNS delegation needs to be removed. So guys, follow the instructions in the Windows Server para po maayos ang pag-remove ng rules. So kanina, yung password natin is admin 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 1234. Ito po yung ating default password. Pero pwede kayong gumawa guys ng ibang password. Depende po sa i-assign. So not allowed. So dito guys, not allowed po yung pag-copy ng password. So we're going to type it manually. Admin 1 2 3 4. Okay, next. Go to next. So we're going to review the selections. Okay, so next. Then reboot on completion. So this time the wizard is preparing for directory service for demotion. The wizard is configuring Active Directory domain services. This process can take from a few minutes to several hours depending on your environment and the options that you have selected. So maghintay tayo guys. Okay, so medyo may katagalan guys yung pag-remove ng EDDS and DNS sa Windows Server 2008 R2. So itong Active Directory Domain Services, ito po yung EDDS. Then ang domain name server, ito po yung DNS. Once mag-add tayo ng rules guys, so dalawang rules agad yung ma-install once tayo ay mag-DC Promo. So, ang DC Promo guys is Domain Controller Promoter. So, pag mag-remove tayo guys, we need to execute the DC Promo, vice versa. Remove and add. So, the machine is shutting down. Okay, so VirtualBox. So guys, I am using the VirtualBox para po tayo ay maka-install ng dalawang operating system sa isang PC or laptop. No? So, this is just a virtual machine na ginagamit ko. Para po sa merong mga katanungan dyan, mag-chat na lang po kayo dyan sa comment section para kung ano po yung mga additional details na gusto nyo itanong sa akin. So, applying computer settings. So, dito guys, hihingi ulit si server manager ng password. Yung default username natin guys is administrator, then our default password is admin1234. This is our so we're going to switch the user, then we're going to type the administrator as a default username, then admin 1234 1234, then we're going to administrator admin 1234. Okay, so next, so user profile, applying computer settings, preparing your desktop. So maghintay tayo guys, then pagkatapos po niyan is pwede na po tayo remove ng rules sa Windows Server 2008 R2, no? Just follow the instructions para po tama yung pag-remove natin ng rules sa Windows Server 2008 R2. So ayan na po guys. So this time, we're going to check the rules kung pwede na po tayo mag-remove ng rules dito sa Server Manager. So ito guys, yung box na to, ito po yung Server Manager natin. So, one tap only para hindi po dumami yung Server Manager dito na naka-open para iwas sa lag po. So, tingnan natin guys. So, we're going to check the rules. So, ayan. So, rules is collecting data kung meron ng kung pwede tayong mag-remove ng rules. Okay, so this time we're going to remove the rules. Napaka-basic lang guys, mag-remove ng rules sa Windows Server 2008 R2. Make sure na naka-DC Promo na kayo para hindi magka-error yung pag-remove ng rules. So video lagi siya guys. So next lang, or you can skip by default. Uncheck this one, uncheck, 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 then follow the instructions. Next only. So we're going to delete the printer or we're going to retain the printer. No, it's up to you guys kung anong pipiliin nyo. This time we're going to remove the rules in the Windows Server 2008 R2. So sana po guys, marami kayong natutunan sa video na to. Salamat po. Bye bye.